Hello everybody, my name is Katie and I'm Kylie's little cousin.
Start. Move over this side.
First I'm gonna be putting on
Sit.
concealer.
No, that's moisturizer.
Whatever.
Okay.
Can you put this?
Yeah, show it to them. Go like that.
This is moisturize. I'm
Wait,
gonna
let them see it. There.
and I'm gonna put it on my
Put it on your finger. Okay. Rub it in with your fingers. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm putting on, what is this?
Moisturizer. Put it everywhere and rub it in with your fingers.
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
Okay, got it. Sporrocket.
That's enough.
It is?
Yeah.
But don't I need like
It's fine. You don't need
forehead?
Just rub it in.
I need a tissue.
Sorry, guys. Hurry up.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna be putting on this.
Get it totally rubbed in.
Where does it go?
On your blood vessel and on some freckles.
Open it, please.
Show them what it is. It's concealer. This is concealer.
It's concealer.
It's MAC Moisture Cover Concealer.
Oopsie.
That's okay, it's fine. Now put it like right there. You don't need any more. Katie. And put it under that eye. Right there. Yeah.
I'm looking high already.
Okay, then close it up.
I think I need to wipe some off the front.
No, you rub it in.
Rubbing is so out of sight.
It'll be
It's
fine.
on my
I'll clean it off. I'll
nail.
clean it off. I'll clean it off.
I'm done.
No, you're not. Blend that all in.
With my skin?
Yeah.
That is totally
Okay.
Please do it.
Okay. Look at them though.
My nail.
Don't touch it. Sorry. Oh, did I get it up there? Sorry. You put a little bit too much on your nose. Let me wipe some off. Okay. Now.
It's raining again.
No, it's, oh yeah, it is. Okay, forget about the rain. This. Say, show them it's foundation. Show them.
Foundation. It's foundation.
And put some on your hand. Here, show them what you're doing. Okay. Now put it back up.
Put it.
Nothing. Now,
No.
keep it like that and show them the brush you're going to use.
I'm gonna use this brush. What do I do?
You...
Oh, okay, I got
No,
it.
no, no. I have to. Let me show you the first one. And look up. Just put it all over your face. Wait, let me
Okay.
blend it in a little bit more. Okay. Here.
Go to the bathroom.
Swirl it around. Here, move over this way and look up. Yeah. Here, let me put your hair back behind your headband. Don't do any more.
Ah.
fine. Go.
It's in my ear.
Okay, continue.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Now blush.
No. You have to put that on.
Oh gosh.
Show them.
What brush do I use?
Show them. Same one. Show them. Say it's a MAC mineralized skin finish.
It's a MAC mineralized skin fishness.
In medium plus.
And medium plus.
Okay. Now say I'll be using this brush.
I'll be using this brush.
I'll clean it off.
Whoa, that looks scary.
Okay. Katie.
Whoa. Okay.
This is the fun part. This is where it begins.
What do I do?
Swirl it around and put it on your face. Yeah. Okay.
There's so many face stuff. It makes me want to pee.
Keep going.
Go to the bathroom. Come back, okay? Go to the bathroom.
Don't put it just on one part of your face. Here.
Ow!
Okay.
Ow.
Put it on your nose.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. Let me just get any extra. Go like that. Okay.
Okay. Now I'm gonna use blush.
And it's in Dainty.
And it's in Dainty.
I'll be using this brush.
And I'm using this brush. It's gonna go on the apples on my cheeks. See? These two things. Are we out of time?
Not yet, but hurry up. Put it on the apples of your cheeks. Smile. Yeah.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Now I'll be using eyeshadow.
Now we'll be using eyeshadow.
I'll be right back. Keep going.
Where are you
Sit down,
going?
Mom. Sit down.
Wait, the bathroom?
No. Closing the door. Sit.
Okay, I'm gonna use pink. Here, these are the colors. Oops. I'm gonna use white. Actually.
Okay.
Oops. Okay.
Now this is some more eyeshadow.
Now this is some more eyeshadow.
Don't wipe any off. There. Perfect. It's fine. Do you want to use it?
No.
Okay.
Okay. And now the last thing, I'm just gonna
Show
put lip balm
Show
on. There. Okay. Open it. I don't want to ruin it.
Sit down. Okay. Say what it smells like.
Smells like fruit snacks. See? Okay.
Rub it in.
See?
Oh, it looks pretty. Put it on
Now the top. Okay. Okay, bye.
So now that's the finished look.
That's the finished look.
Look at me. Close your eyes.
Bye.
Bye guys. Stay tuned for the next video.